16 inches on center is the standard spacing in carpentry because it lines up perfectly with 4-foot sheathing sheets and keeps everything strong and solid. So, when you're framing walls or floors, setting your studs or joists 16 inches apart on center means the edges of plywood or drywall fit right on those studs without any awkward cuts. This spacing helps reduce waste since you're not constantly trimming sheets to fit weird gaps. Plus, it makes your structure way more stable. Those studs support the weight evenly, so no sagging or wobbly walls later on. Building codes often require this spacing, so sticking to it keeps your work legal and safe. When you're putting up drywall, 16-inch spacing gives you plenty of spots to screw into, so the panels stay put and don't crack. It also makes labor easier because you can measure quickly and know exactly where each stud is without double-checking every time. If you try to go wider than 16 inches, your walls might not hold up as well, especially under heavy loads or high winds. So overall, 16 inches on center just makes life simpler and your build stronger. One of the biggest mistakes people make when framing with 16 inches on center is not measuring from the center of each stud, which can mess up the whole layout. Always measure from the middle of one stud to the middle of the next. Another common issue is failing to account for the thickness of the studs when planning your sheathing or drywall, leading to gaps or overlaps. Planning ahead helps avoid that hassle. Lastly, some folks skip checking local building codes about spacing, which can cause problems if inspectors say your framing isn't up to standard. Always double check what's required in your area. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with people needing work, so everyone wins. No stress, just solid results.